Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today we'll be looking at these questions, which is talking about how to use trading bots. Okay, it said please explain trading bot in bybit, and can I start with 10 USD? Okay, let's go quickly into bybit and see if we can answer this question correctly. So with respect to this question, we'll be talking about a bybit trading bot today. So let's quickly dive into bybit to see. So here we are on bybit, and before we quickly move into that, you must understand that you must fund your wallet with not less than 100 USD, and aside from that, you must also know how to fund your wallet. Okay, I've dropped some video in the past that shows how you can fund your wallet on bybit using p2p transactions. All right, so I'll drop the link to that very video at the descriptive section, so that if you do not know how to do that, you can use that as guide to fund your wallet. Okay, and if you fund your wallet, you must also understand that your fund must be on the what, on the funding wallet. Okay, if you do not know how to, and if your fund is on the spot wallet and you don't know how to do that, you can just quickly come to this place, click on transfer, in order for you to transfer the maximum to your funding wallet. That is, your fund must be on, your fund must be under a funding wallet before you'll be able to do this bybit bot trading. Okay, so let's quickly go to look for bybit bot trading. Okay, so you're gonna going to come to this place to click on more. If you click on more, then you're gonna go into search for where exactly is bybit bot trading. Okay, so I'm gonna going to click on bot in the search bar, and it will bring me to place of this very nature. All right, so if you come to this place, this bybit bot has to do with a feature grid. It has to do with a feature margin, feature margin, and feature combo, spot trading, and also DCA. Okay, and also DCA. So all we're going to look at quickly is write this spot grid. Okay, so all this and this are also important, but what is far most important is the spot grid. So we're going to look at the spot grid like right now. So clicking on the spot grid, you can see if you come to this place and you have made a choice of a coin you want to trade, you can look at this. Okay, this is AI strategy and this is a manual strategy. The difference between this AI strategy and manual strategy is that AI strategy is what you're seeing here. Everything will be set up for you. You don't need to set anything for yourself. All you just need to do here is to come to this place to input your amount, which must not be less than 92.8394. okay, but with this you can just use like 100 USD. So try fund your account like with just 100 USD before you dive into this. Okay, so let's look at it further. So all you just need to do here is to come to this place to input your amount. It's showing insufficient fund here because I did not fund my wallet for this purpose yet, or my wallet is not yet funded, or I'm having insufficient wallet. Okay, in a nutshell, I'm just having insufficient wallet. So this is what you just need to do. After coming to this place, you can see the trading spot. The trailing stop is recommended, and what you're seeing here is a percentage. Okay, you can click on this advanced setting, which is very optional. You click on this advanced setting. If you click on this advanced setting, it will bring out something for you which says entry price. This entry price means when exactly do you want this trade bot to enter your market for you. Okay, to enter your market for you. Okay, and down here is when, at what figure or at what volume of price you want this bot to start working or to enter market for you or to start trading for you. Then here is to set your stop loss. Okay, at what rate you want to go out of the market should you not make profit, and take profit also at what rate you want to make profit, like you want to take your profit. Okay, because with this strategy now you can just set up a lot of things and the bot will just keep working for you, like going in and coming out, going in and coming out, going in and coming out just for you. Okay, you can do this multiple times in a day. All right, so that is the essence of this. So let's go to, we have looked at the AI settings, right? We have looked at the AI setting. Now let's take a look at this, the manual setting. All right, so with this now you can decide which one exactly you want to do. Okay, in this place you can set up your grids for yourself. The interval is 0.00124 and the profit grid is 1.34% to 3.98%. You can look at here. Okay, you can look at here. So here is telling you that okay, you're gonna go into like make your you're gonna go into like look at the price range. Okay, look at the price range ranging from what 0.003114 to 0.009342. You can see this. All right, I'm going to use this strategy to show you something in my next video, so that even though you're not going to use the bot trading, you're going to come here to steal some strategy, and you're going to make a lot from it. So the investment volume is here, and it is clearly displayed that the minimum you can invest here is 93.09617. all right, 93.1.0934.09617. Okay, so the next thing you just need to do is to roll it up and create your trade, which is here. All right, so if there's anything at all you are not getting, you can drop your comment at the comment section, drop your questions, or you can ask your question at my on my telegrams. I'll also drop the link here because it's been a while I dropped the link. I'll drop the link so that we can talk further there. Okay, so you can look at here which says advanced settings. Advanced settings is what we just look at the AI section just now, so I do not wish to talk about this here again. So that is it. I think everything here is clear, and if you do have any question, do not forget, you can drop it at the comment sections. I'll attend to you ASAP. And if you want to, like this very coin we're talking about here is there, and if you don't want to trade this particular ZAR, you can click on this very arrow in order for you to make another choice. You can see a lot of coins here. You can choose SAT, you can choose Vino, you can choose Pepe and Mog, ladies, and many more of them. Okay, then we choose this cock, because this cock, I knew this cock to be a very good coin for a long time now. All right, and the minimum you can use here is what is 29 USD. You can like to answer the guy question completely, you can look at some of those coins from here using this arrow. You can be looking for those coins that are having a very low price that you can trade with, like 10 USD or even below. All right, yes, so by doing this I think you'll be able to find what exactly you're looking for, the coin that you can trade. You can see this one is 18. Let's look at this card. This card is 21. Okay, you can look at them in order for you to what, to find a particular coin of your choice that you can be able to trade below, that you can be able to trade with 10 USDT. All right, so that is all for now. And as I said earlier, if you have questions, do not hesitate to drop it, and we'll attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next class. Bye.